Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a unboxing. I received this yesterday late afternoon and it was too noisy for my children to do a video, so I'm going to do it now. They're all at school. So as you can tell, I haven't opened it yet. So I'm going to do that. I will be trying to bring a unboxing nearly every time that I get a box. Some boxes I'm unable to show due to the new releases that we get early as makers. So if you'd like access to getting things early, you may want to become a maker. Okay. I always forget what I get. Of course we have bubbles. We have a round sponge. I have Bluebird ink. We have the Perfectly Imperfect pattern stamp. Just one of the ones that I don't have yet. Nectarine, which now I can start doing my workshop. And we have the Distressed Ink Pad Storage Tin, which holds 15. I don't have anywhere to store mine at the moment. Mine are just on a big stack, so I thought I'd grab the storage tin. I was just looking at my receipt and I've noticed that there's one thing missing. Make sure you lift the flaps up of the box and you'll find your missings. So I've also got the adhesive tape. So make sure you check your receipt to make sure that you've got everything. Super quick video for today. Catch you on another unboxing hopefully soon. Bye.